Tesla released Optimus Gen 2, which has advanced motor systems that offer a 30% increase in speed and a boost in strength compared to its predecessor. It can navigate complex environments with agility, handle demanding tasks with unparalleled precision, and accomplish more in less time. As you may recall, Optimus is a humanoid robot designed by Tesla, which was first announced at the company's AI Day event in 2021. It is intended to be a general-purpose robot that can perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or boring for humans. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, claimed that Optimus has the potential to be more significant than the company's vehicle business over time. Now, in 2023, Tesla has released a new video showing Optimus Gen 2, which is a more advanced version of the robot. In the video, we can see Optimus walking, handling an egg delicately, and doing some squats that show its improved balance. Optimus Gen 2 boasts multi-jointed hands that mimic human dexterity with stunning precision. Advanced tactile sensors provide real-time feedback, allowing it to handle even the most delicate tasks. According to Tesla, Optimus Gen 2 has several improvements over the previous version, such as Tesla-designed actuators and sensors, 2 degrees of freedom actuated neck, actuators integrated electronics and harnessing, 30% walk speed boost, foot force/torque sensing, articulated toe sections, human foot geometry, 10 kilograms total weight reduction, improved balance and full body control, faster 11 degree of freedom brand new hands, tactile sensing on all fingers and delicate objects, manipulation, like holding an egg. The future of robotics is here, and it's inevitable. As time goes on, robots keep on getting better and better, and a time will come when it will be essential to have personal robots. Some studies have shown that a person will have more than one personal assistant robot in the future, which is why most technology companies are focusing their resources on robotics, because there is a big share for everyone. So, what do you think of Optimus Gen 2? Do you think it will revolutionize the field of robotics and AI? Do you think it will help millions of people and do a lot of useful things? Or do you think it will pose some ethical and social challenges? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.